There are several different types of tire wear. Shoulder wear inside and outside. There is center wear, tire cupping, tire patching, and these can be caused by underinflation of the tire, overinflation, lack of rotations, misalignment, and several other things. Shoulder wear on a tire can be caused by underinflation, also misalignment. Shoulder wear would be here and here. As you can see on this tire, this one does have some shoulder wear, probably from a misalignment. Overinflation of the tire is going to cause center wear. Almost think of a balloon. The tire would be ballooned out, so then the center of the tire is going to be making the contact to the road. Rather than the full surface of the tire, the edges wouldn't even be touching, it would just be the center. So cupping on a tire is going to be caused by lack of rotations more often than not, but can also be caused by worn out suspension components. Cupping is going to look like almost kind of like steps. So the tread is going to be kind of like that. It's going to, cause you to have a bad ride quality on your tires. It's going to cause a vibration. If it gets bad enough, it'll be on the whole surface of the tire. As it starts, it normally starts on the shoulders of the tire. A less common tire wear pattern would be diagonal patching. It would kind of look like the tire is bald here, and then you have tread, and then bald, and then tread. And that would create an awful ride quality, decreased fuel mileage, and it even runs the risk of blowing out the tire, because like I said, the tire would be bald in certain spots, and that would be caused from lack of rotations, can also be caused by over and under inflation, and also misalignment. It is important to regularly inspect your tires for wear patterns, because it could be telltale signs of worn out suspension parts, misalignment if your tire's over or under inflated, because that can also cause decreased fuel mileage, and it'll take the life away from your tires, which in the end costs you money. One way that you can extend the life of your tires is by doing your tire rotations, checking your alignment, checking your tire pressures for the correct tire pressure at regular intervals.